This morning, Beatrice was at home, wrapped in a big blanket, fighting a small but stubborn cold. She wasn't in serious trouble, of course. In fact, she kept complaining that the cold was too boring and that she missed the ocean breeze already. At the Clockwork Café, Beatrice was known as the energetic one, the fast one, the one who could prepare 3 drinks at the same time while still chatting with customers. So her absence today felt, well, a little scary. Without Beatrice's speed and loud laughter, the cafe suddenly seemed much quieter and much harder to handle. And for Sofia, who was still learning the ropes, today might become one of her most challenging days yet. But she had no idea that she was about to handle it better than she ever expected.
Good morning, Maggie.
Good morning, Sophia. I have some news. Beatrice called in sick today, so she won't be coming.
Oh, is she okay? Yesterday she told me she felt a bit tired.
Yes, she caught a small cold. She'll be fine, but she needs to rest today. So you'll be doing her duties as well.
I understand. I'll do my best.
Good. And since today is Friday, it's going to be very busy.
I'm ready. Don't worry, I can handle it. Good morning, Mr. Lexicon.
Good morning, Sofia. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. Just a little busy this morning. It's Friday, after all.
Ah, yes, the famous Friday rush. Everything must be finished before the weekend.
Yeah, it's always chaos before the calm.
Right. By the way, I don't see Beatrice today. Is she around somewhere?
Oh, Bea is at home today. She caught a little cold.
Ah, the cold. It spares no one, not even someone bursting with energy like Beatrice. Well, I hope she recovers quickly.
Me too. She should be fine after some rest.
Anyway, since it's Friday, I need a strong coffee to survive the day. Fridays are always full of work. Everything must be done before people disappear for the weekend.
I understand. So, would you like your usual espresso?
Yes, please. My usual strong espresso. And today, please bring me a cup of warm water as well. It's quite chilly outside, and my throat needs a little help.
Of course. 1 strong espresso and 1 warm water. I'll bring them right away.
Thank you, Sophia. Always a pleasure to start my morning here.
You're very welcome.
Good morning. Can I help you decide?
Yes, please. I'm not very familiar with coffee drinks. There are so many choices.
Don't worry at all. I'd love to help you find the perfect drink. Do you usually prefer something sweet and creamy or a strong coffee flavor?
I'm not sure. What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
A latte is smooth and creamy. It has more milk and less foam. A cappuccino is a bit stronger. It has more foam and a richer coffee taste.
Ah, I see. And what about a mocha?
A mocha is great if you like chocolate. It's sweet, rich, and a good choice if you want something comforting.
That actually sounds really nice. Okay, I'll have a hot mocha, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like any snacks with that? We have fresh cookies and warm croissants today.
A croissant sounds great. And could I also have a glass of water, please?
Of course. 1 hot mocha, 1 croissant, and 1 glass of water. I'll prepare that for you right away.
Thank you very much. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure. I'll bring your order shortly. Good morning, the Clockwork Café. Sofia speaking.
Hi, Sophia. I'd like to place an order for pickup, please.
Sure. What can I get starting for you?
Can I get a large flat white with oat milk? And do you have a caramel macchiato?
Yes, we do.
Great. One caramel macchiato, hot, and large flat white with oat milk. No sugar for both.
Of course. Got it. One large oat flat white and one caramel macchiato. Anything else to eat?
No, that's all, thanks. I'm driving right now, so I'll swing by to pick it up in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. I'll put the order in now so it's fresh when you arrive. Can I have your name, please?
It's Jim.
Okay, Jim. Your total comes to 19 rupees. We'll see you in 10 minutes.
Great. Thanks, Sophia. Bye.
Sophia here. Thank you everyone for watching. If you find this video interesting, please help Team Sophia by clicking like and subscribe.